Okay, now we are going to see about a very important conversation on and a very important situation also. Uh, we have come across with a lot of conversation for a different kind of situation. It definitely that's going to be help you, but this is a very lot of people asking for this type of situation. Is a very wanted situation, that is a telephone conversation. Okay. Particularly on this time we need a this kind of situation. We are facing this kind of situation a lot and lot, because we cannot make we cannot meet person to person. We cannot meet directly. Okay, so nowadays we are attending the meeting, or we are working by virtually only. So we all doing any sort of the work through online. Okay, so in this very difficult situation, definitely we need so something tips or example conversation which is related to the telephone conversation. Okay, so now we are going to see about the conversation for the situation telephoning. Okay, so if we so I've just divided the telephone conversation. This is a very basic common thing that you are attending or you are calling, means you can come up with these points. This is very common. Okay, then I have divided into two things. What does mean by if you are attending in call? Okay, if you are attending call or you are calling to the some other office. Okay, I have just divided into two division. Let's see what is the thing. So okay, if once your call have been taken, you can say hello or good morning or good afternoon, or if evening means you can say good evening. You can greet on your way. Okay, so next is, this is a John speaking. If you want to mention your name, you can say after take the receiver of opponent person, you can greet them and you can introduce yourself by saying this is John speaking. And you can say, could I speak to Malar please? Okay, if for example, if you are calling for office, means if you want to speak for a particular person name, means you can mention like this, could I speak to Malar please? Okay, or I would like to speak to, you can say it on this way, I would like to speak to Malar, or I am trying to contact Malar. Okay, so these are the different type of different type of way that you are mentioning that you are want to talk to a particular person. Okay, so first thing, you want to greet. Once you attend the call, you want to say something hello or something good morning, good evening. You want to greet the person. Okay, for example, if you are calling for your friend, means there is no need to greet the person. If you are attending a phone call officially, means definitely you want to wish them. Okay, so next is, if you can say your name by telling this is a John or this is a Kumar, you can say like this. Okay, if you want to talk to other person, means that you can say it on this way, could I speak to Mala please, or I would like to speak to, you can say on this way, or you can say I am trying to contact. So these are some basic telephonic conversation. Okay, so next situation is, if you attending the call in a work environment, for example in your office you are attending some phone call, then what will be the reaction? Means good morning, you should say good morning. Good morning, you can mention your office name, how can I help you? Okay, so this is, I'm just telling very expressively, listen it carefully. Good morning, you can say your office name, how can I help you? So in this your voice itself, there should be a softness. Okay, your voice should get a softness. Okay, next thing, hello, you can say hello and you can mention your office name. Sarah speaking, you can introduce your name to the caller. Sarah speaking, what can I do for you sir? If you're asking some male voice, means you can mention here, what can I do for you sir? Or you can say, if you heard any female voice, means you can say, what can I do for you madam? You can mention it like on that way. Okay, so in the next, you can say it like this way, hello, my name is, you can say my name is Sarah, I'm calling from no, you can mention your office name. Okay, so this is a very basic telephonic conversation. Very major rule is, once you attend the phone call or once you calling to the other person, these are the some basic conversation. You want to greet the person, and second thing, you want to introduce yourself, and if you would like to speak to another person, you can say it on this way: could I speak to Mala, or I would like to speak, or I'm trying to contact. You can choose any one of them from these three things. Okay, so next is, if you are attending the call in a work environment, means what is the basic three rules? First you want to greet the person, and second you want to mention your office name, and third you want to definitely ask how can I help you. Okay, so these are the very basic three things need while you are attending the phone call in the work environment. Okay.